Hi everyone! Want to turn your words into a beautiful artwork? Today I'll show you how to create a stunning AI generated art using the StarryAI. This is a step-by-step and a beginner-friendly. Let's dive in. First, all you need to do is to go to the StarryAI.com or download the StarryAI app. Then here you can now create a free account using your email or social login. Then here you can now get a free credits to start generating right away. Then tap on Create or Start Generating. In the prompt box, type what you want to create and you need to be descriptive. The better your description is, the better the result. Here is the example prompts. And tips for a better result. You can add styles like fantasy, oil painting, and more. And you can now use as emotional or visual keywords like serene, dark, futuristic, and glow. Then here, after that, you can now choose your style and model. You can pick from style like fantasy, portrait, cyberpunk, and more. And choose an AI model like Altair, the Orion, and Argo. Then each one has a different artistic feel. Test them out. Then here can now set your image ratio and number outputs. And after that, review and save your art. Once done, tap the view, tap the result, and click and download it. You can now upscale or remix the image for more variations. And just like that, you've made a jaw-dropping AI artwork in minutes. If you love this, hit like and follow for more AI tools and creative hacks. Thanks for watching.